Today, I'd like to welcome you to a very special moment in Bobcat's history. We are extending our loader portfolio by adding a new range of compact wheel loaders. They are developed and built by Bobcat to meet the needs of demanding European customers and will introduce some groundbreaking features into this competitive segment. Let me talk a little about the specifications of this L85 wheel loader. This model fits the 5-ton operating weight segment and is designed to operate with bucket sizes from 0.8 to 1.2 cubic meters. This machine is powered by the next generation of the proven Bobcat D24 Stage 5 compliant engine, tuned to 68 horsepower, which provides reliable power to tackle all jobs. The same engine will also power the smaller L65 model. Cab height is below 2.5 meters, which enables the machine to enter the inside of storage buildings and makes transport on trucks or trailers easy. A lifting height of over 3.2 meters, combined with a high operator position, ensures easy and safe loading even to high-sided trucks. With a maximum hydraulic flow of 100 liters per minute, these loaders can operate a wide range of advanced attachments with ease. When traveling longer distances or moving from one job site to another, you will appreciate the maximum travel speed of 30 kilometers per hour. The first thing you will notice on the machine is the signature look of the engine bonnet. It has been designed to give you easy access to all daily maintenance points, but also to allow best-in-class rear visibility. It can be further improved if you select to use the built-in rear-view camera, which is automatically activated when you start reversing. Maximized 360-degree visibility was one of our main focus points. Thanks to fully glassed doors on both sides of the machine and low front window corners, you can enjoy a clear view to the attachments and the entire working space. In poor light conditions, you can appreciate the optional powerful LED lights for daylight visibility. When you operate the machine, you can enjoy the automatic ride control system, which is independent of the travel speed and which brings a smoother ride over bumps. You will especially appreciate this while traveling with a load over a longer distance. Unique to the industry, Bobcat wheel loaders are coming with selectable travel modes. You can select the dedicated attachment mode, which you will appreciate while using advanced hydraulic attachments such as the sweeper, the angle broom, or the snowblower. This enables you to manually set the engine RPM and use the throttle pedal to control the machine travel speed independently from the speed of the attachment. In line with our R-Series philosophy, the new Bobcat wheel loaders are truly built around the operator, starting from the large cab doors and comfortable steps to ergonomically located handles that allow you to get in and out of the cabin easily. The newly designed cabin provides first-class space. The joystick console is connected to the seat to allow comfortable operation even while driving in rough terrain. Together with the steering wheel, which is adjustable in 2 directions, you will be able to find the best seating position to stay comfortable for working all day. All functions, such as the quick engine start-stop, parking brake, or advanced attachment controls, can be easily accessed from the panel with intuitive soft-touch buttons or through the 5-inch LCD display. The display is controlled using a jog shuttle, conveniently located next to the joystick, so it's always in your reach. This spacious, quiet cabin allows you to always stay comfortable. The new Bobcat compact wheel loaders are built to meet all the needs of our European customers, like operator comfort, ease of use, productivity, and high reliability. Choosing the Bobcat brand in this category will guarantee you keeping the high value of the product over time. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the new Bobcat compact wheel loaders, the new loader of choice.